Sedona.s TV. Yeah! Hey mountains, it's me Sedona, and today I'm gonna be making glitter slime. Yeah, I really want to do this one. I want to make two slimes, like one silver and one pink. That would be amazing. So guys, when my brother gets home, I basically have to, cause he like tells my grandma, and my grandma doesn't tell me like to do it. Yeah. So when my brother gets home, he would tell her if he saw us making slime, especially glitter one because he hates glitter. So, so we basically have to switch off the camera if he comes home. And hide it. So guys, let's get started. So first I'm gonna untie this. It's so pretty. So now I'm gonna squirt that in. Basically do that. Okay, so now guys, I'm gonna try to pour all this in. If all of it doesn't come out like for this second, I'm gonna pour water in it, shake it up, and pour it in. Oh guys, did you notice I painted my nails like a few seconds ago? Yeah, and then they look bad because I didn't really know how to do this one, and I was in a rush to do this because my brother was gonna get home to my grandma. So now I'm gonna shake it up a little bit. Oh guys, this is just gonna be my hands video. Yeah. So now, what did I do? Put some detergent, laundry detergent. So we're gonna.
And you don't know what's gonna happen.
Oh, I was like.
Yeah. You don't know what's gonna happen because it's green. You don't have the clear one.
So make sure you pour it in very quickly. Make sure you stir it very quickly. Oh, that smells nice. After a few minutes mixing it by the spoon, we are going to use our hands. Whoa, it's so pretty. Oh, kind of nail polishes in there. Anyways, I'm gonna take it out one slime. So I made some slime yesterday, but I didn't film it. First it was blue. First it turned out a total disaster. So I made another one because we had two slimes, two glues. And then it turned like in lavender color. And then I called it Violet in my tragic video, nail video. Like, remember Violet, the glove. Now, we're going to keep mixing it with the spoon until it actually is kind of lumpy and stuff.
It's kind of green pink, isn't it?
Gonna mix it in. Really good. Oh my god, it's not pink anymore. I really want it to be this kind of color. Try to put some in. Oh, this would be so great if that happened. Really
yeah, it's the green detergent. We didn't have a clear one, did we?
We didn't have a clear one. It's pretty though. I like it. I guess now we're gonna put our hands in it. Oh my god, it feels icky.
You need more?
Yes. Yes, I need more. After a few minutes doing it with your hands, it becomes like this, but not that sticky to your hands. Now we're gonna try and get all of this off my hands.
No.
Get a little bit more. It's gonna be very ugly color, but it's gonna be glittery, and I like it glittery. Oh, it smells so good. Whoa. How is that like happening? Like, what's going on? I don't see that happening. Whoa, guys, look at. Oh my god! It's silver! Oh my god! Guys, I have a silver slime. So, guys.
No.
Oh! How are we gonna get that off? Mom, I need some. Guys, this is like, whoa! It has prettier glitter. Yeah, I gotta say that this is a really pretty gray. But yeah, I really wanted to see what happened. Can't believe that happened. Someone, won't you make it stop? I'm losing my mind. I don't know what's happening. It's from Teen Beach Movie. I think it's number 2.
Yeah. It's so pretty.
Do you know Pom Pom? That channel. That channel, like he does like slime videos, kinda. He makes stuff. Well, gonna roll this up. How do I get it out of my hand? Well, he rolls it up and then he's like silver. He stretches out like. He starts making it. He's like red or blue or clear or something. Yeah. Whoa, I need some more detergent. Someone pause the DVR. Someone want to make it stop. Make it stop. I'm losing my mind. I don't know what's happening. So, sorry, guys. Whoa, touch it, Mom. You gotta touch it.
Ah, I love it.
Ew. Close the door, please, Mom.
Why?
I'm afraid.
Okay, well, finish then. Just put it up to your face so we can see it better. Why? It's gonna be hard like a lump.
Confetti. Really beautiful confetti.
If you put it up and in the sun, like where the sun is shining, you can see it.
Guys, bye! My brother's here, bye! I wish it was pink. It looks so ugly, but I like the glitter.
So what happened?
So, okay, so yesterday my brother got home and we had to switch up the camera. We had to do it because he would like tell my grandma. And if you wonder what this is, it's not paint. I hit it on the stairs in the pool yesterday when we went over to our friend's house. Here we go. Okay, so it's on the floor a little bit. So now we're gonna finish our glue or slime or goo, whatever it's called, or confetti. And guys, we're gonna make another slime. It's gonna be silver today, but I hope it's not gonna turn out like this ugly thing. But It's kind of pretty. I just don't like the color of it. I just wish it was like pink. Yeah. Anyways, so we were painting and that's what I made. Touch it, Mom. Touch the dots. It's dry. I painted it yesterday. And it's really good.
But we ran out of paints, right?
Yeah, so we can't like finish my one. It's
Literally every single paint is gone. It's nothing there.
Yeah. My mom painted this little elephant. She just got finished with it. Then I was like,
It's not finished.
Yeah, she's almost finished with it.
We ran out of paint.
So we have to get some new ones, I think. Yeah. And look at over there. That's where she painted it from. She's a really good artist.
Thank you, sweetie. You too.
So guys, it looks really disgusting right now. It looks like mashed glitter potatoes. Like, wait, what happens if we put some paint in it?
Well, if you can find some paint to put in there, try it.
Oh, we still have some paint here.
Oh yeah, the brown one.
What it look like?
Just put it in. Take the whole thing.
So, now we're gonna put, is it dried out? Ah! Oh God. Crud. Few hours later. Could you put like 24,000 years later? Oh dang it, it's not coming out! Already 24,000 years later and this is what I get. So now we're gonna mix it in with our hands. I hope it turns into a pretty pink color.
What happened?
Look what I got for 24,000 years. It doesn't look nice. It looks ugly. Ew, I think we had to throw this out. Please put that red. There. That better work. That better work. Oh my God. What a waste of paint. So guys, we're gonna make a nicer slime with this one because I'm really mad at this one. Does it look gross?
It looks like snot.
Do you want to touch it?
Ugh.
We need some more detergent. Oh, can we use sink detergent?
No, I don't think so. That would work.
Okay, now we're gonna throw this out. You guys, I'm gonna throw this out right now. I hate it. Like, should I throw the bowl out too?
Throw it out, yeah. No, not the bowl.
You mix it in fast, so it'll turn like, oh my God, it really turned into slime. I like it, but you need to put it in a container. So